that noise, huh? What's that noise? Wow, mami masipag, nag-vacuum. Pasensya na kayo, nagda-daddy duties lang ako. Surfing baby Nitro. So, fam, siguro napansin nyo, may gupit na ako. So, I want to give a shout out to my friend Jim. Thank you. He does home service haircuts. So, hit him up, Jim. I'll leave his details sa description below. So, kung gusto niyo magpagupit sa bahay nyo, kontakin niyo siya. Okay guys, so alam niyo na, umabot na tayo ng 1 million subscribers. Kung napanood niyo po ang live namin, sabi namin magpapag-giveaway na kami ngayong June. So eto na. The first video of June 20 Fam will be a giveaway video. So I'm gonna put baby to bed and then I'm going to explain kung paano kayo makakasali sa giveaway natin. Ayan, natutulog na si baby. Joke lang. Babies don't actually sleep.
Nakakatakot din ka.
Alright guys, to begin this video, meron na tayong bagong intro. So panoorin nyo to. Here we go. You're beautiful. Shine like a star.
You're beautiful. Shine like a star. You got me falling slowly and crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you how wonderful you are.
Anong tingin mo? You like the intro? What is it, bebe?
Kamukha ko ba?
Kumukha mo. Ano, baguhin natin yung mukha mo dyan? Kasi hindi naman kulot buhok mo, di ba?
Parang ibang babae yun ah. Love story ng ibang babae sa'yo.
Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back to isang Duwanta Vlog starring Pabebe and Padede! No, you don't like that name, do you, Nitro? No, kasi hindi naman ikaw ang nagpapadede. Si Mami yan. So we're thinking of calling Nitro Pabebe, a mix of Bibo and Bebe. Pabibo, Pabebe, Pabebe. Yes, you are, Nitro. Okay. So, Nitro is super makulit today. Ayaw niyang matulog. Di ba, Shan? Yes. Makulit, pero it's okay kasi nakakagigil naman siyang baby, no? Okay, Duwanta Fam, in this video, we're gonna talk about our philtalk giveaway. Dahil umabot na tayo sa 1 million subscribers, we are doing a giveaway. Now, maraming pwedeng mananalo sa giveaway na to. In fact, meron tayong 5 prizes. 5 prizes. Okay, so ang una nating prize ay tinatawag na Ninja Prize. Now, the Ninja Prize consists of a Osmo Pocket. You can win an Osmo Pocket worth up to 20,000 pesos, I think this is. Although, keep in mind, this is second-hand. You get all the gadgets with it, the charging cord, and even the Silica gel. So, yan ang first prize natin, the Ninja Prize. For any of you aspiring vloggers out there, or anyone who just wants to own a Osmo Pocket. Ang pangalawang prize po ay tinatawag na Sirena Prize. The Sirena Prize consists of a GoPro Hero4. Again, this is second hand. We have used it a few times, but you have all the gadgets with it. All the bells and whistles, the poles, the underwater floating poles. Our third prize is the Pabebe Prize. The Pabebe Prize consists of a purple mattress. Brand new purple mattress by Uratex Foam. Bought at SM Mega Mall. It has not been opened yet. You also get a game of Twister with the mattress. How good is that? Comes to a total of about 2,500. Our fourth prize is a gift from a company called Tough Mama. We call this the Tough Mama Prize. Now you'll be winning some awesome Tough Mama products. The winner of this prize will get a random home appliance from Tough Mama. It could be a rice cooker, it could be a blender, it could be a kettle. Abangan mo na lang. And fifth prize, last but definitely not least, is 1,000 pesos worth of load. Now the load will be Globe, TM, Smart, whatever you choose, okay? You will tell us what kind of load you need kung ikaw ang manalo. So yan ang ating 5 prizes, Duwanta Fam. So if you would like to have a chance to win one of these prizes, you must do the following. Shanta, myself, and our business partner, Cameron Moshier, good friend of ours. Gumawa kami ng website last year na philtalk.net. Philtalk.net is the social network of the Philippines, and it is also a place where foreigners can learn to speak Tagalog or Bisaya, and very soon we'll be launching a dating application on the website. So eto ang kailangan nyong gawin. Punta kayo sa philtalk.net. Pag nandun na kayo sa philtalk.net, gawa kayo ng account. Okay, put your name in there, put a profile picture in there kung gusto nyo. Kailangan may email din kayo. Pagkatapos gumawa kayo ng account, i-email ka ng PhilTalk. So, check nyo po ang email nyo sa inbox nyo or spam folder. Hanapin nyo po yung confirmation email from PhilTalk. Click nyo po ang link sa confirmation email para ma-confirm nyo po ang account nyo at pwede na kayo gumamit ng PhilTalk. I-post nyo po ang picture nyo para malaman namin na totoo kang tao, okay? And in the caption, use the hashtag PhilTalk giveaway. On your PhilTalk post, you should have a picture of yourself with the hashtag PhilTalk giveaway and tell us why you want to win one of the prizes. Nagpapabebe ka na naman. A quick recap. Make an account on philtalk.net. Once you have made an account, post your photo with the hashtag PhilTalk giveaway and the reason why you should win one of the prizes. Yun lang naman. Alright? Pinaka-importante po dun is the hashtag PhilTalk giveaway para mahanap po namin, para makita po namin ang post mo. Kasi kung wala kayong hashtag PhilTalk giveaway sa PhilTalk account nyo, we cannot consider it. So yan ang ating giveaway, Duante Fam. We will be announcing the winners on June 14. 2 weeks lang. 2 weeks lang. Alright, so you have 2 weeks to make an account on PhilTalk, post your photo with the hashtag PhilTalk giveaway, and write a reason why you should win. Okay, here's an example.
First of all, we go to philtalk.net. https://philtalk.net. Ayan. Pag nandito na tayo sa philtalk.net, click nyo ang Join Now for free. Type your email in again and verify email. Type your first name, your last name, select your gender, select your age, relationship status, parang ganun lang, okay? It's social media kasi. And then you click on register. Now, pagkatapos na click nyo na ang register, an email will be sent to your email address na nilagay nyo. PhilTalk, welcome to PhilTalk. Click this link to verify your email and log into your account. So after you click that link, you can log into your account now. So make sure you check your spam folder as well kasi baka napunta sa spam folder ninyo. Kaka-login na kayo and you'll see dito ang mga posts ng mga taong may PhilTalk account. Nagpo-post sila ng status, nagpo-post sila ng pictures. So then what you do is you type hashtag PhilTalk giveaway. And then type the reason you want to win. I want to win kasi ang pogi ko. Ganon, okay? And then you go post type. Click this little camera icon here. Click on photo. Click here to start uploading photos. And then all you have to do is click on post. Right here. Post. Na-upload na yung picture ko sa PhilTalk. PhilTalk giveaway, I want to win kasi ang pogi ko. When I click this hashtag PhilTalk giveaway, we can see all the people who have posted na sumali na sa contest natin. So ngayon, ako pa lang.
PhilTalk.net has been our dream for a long time. We've been trying to make it a reality, and we decided that a giveaway at 1 million subscribers would really help boost the website. Oh, Mommy's gonna take you na. Nitro, huh? Mommy will take you na. You got him? Want me to put him in shot? You got his head? Yeah, you got his head. Okay. Huwag niyong i-post sa ibang social media site na hashtag PhilTalk giveaway. Kailangan nandun sa philtalk.net mismo ang inyong mga posts. Okay, Duante Fam, gabi na. Gabi na. Alright, I've just finished editing this vlog. So, ilagay ko po sa description below ang buong instructions, alright, tungkol sa giveaway natin. You have 14 days to make a PhilTalk account and post with the hashtag PhilTalk giveaway, your reason, and your picture. We are so excited to see your posts, and we'll be counting every single one of them, and we will be doing a live video on June 14 at 6 p.m. to draw the 5 winners. Okay guys, Kita-kits sa sunod na video ng Twanta. Bye for now.
You're beautiful.